standing on the edge of the Badlands. Good morning from our boho bus.
Good morning.
Wherever you are. We've got a rainy start here in the Buffalo, New York area, but we're heading west, landing in Sandusky, Ohio this afternoon. So hopefully we have some clearer skies in a little bit. Stayed at Danny's South. It was a restaurant, well, more like a sports bar. Enjoyed some buffalo food delicacies there. We had the buffalo chicken wing soup.
Yes, very good.
And we had the beef on weck. The beef was tender and served with straight horseradish. What else do we have? Oh, we had the chicken wings. Of course, we had.
And we had to try the chicken wings. If you're in Buffalo.
Yeah, we went to Buffalo. Getting the deck now. We had a nice chat here with Scott. We're actually on native land, Seneca territory. We're back on the road after our diesel stop. We use the Mudflap app, which offers a very good savings off of diesel. Our bus was thirsty. We took 119 gallons. We hold 150 gallons, but we're now back topped off.
We can do another 1,300 miles.
1,300 miles.
Next state.
Woo!
Number 5.
The speed limit.
Yeah, you're gonna have to keep an eye when I get close.
Well, good morning. We are enjoying a down day, a stationary day, after 2 long days of driving where we stayed at Harvest Hosts. So we needed a little break, and we're getting some things done around the coach. I'm catching up on my art projects. I'm making a travel journal for our trip because I love to do art on the road, and catching up on doing laundry and having hot showers since we have hookups. So it's kind of an overcast day, but later we're going to head down to Cedar Point and Shoreline Park and maybe enjoy one of the local breweries. And then tomorrow we'll be back on the road again. On there, look, I found him.
Oh.
Hey, Charles.
Morning.
What you been doing this morning?
Since we got the new tires, they were kind of grungy and the rims were all dirty from where they lubed them up and stuff. So I did the rims and tires today. I like to put 1 or 2 hours of work into the coach once in a while. Then that way it doesn't feel like too much work.
He's wonderful. Yeah, because it is a lot of maintenance to keep it looking top notch. We were able to take a drive down Cedar Point Road and see the magnificent lakefront homes. Early on, oh my gosh, look at this lighthouse. Wow. People have their very own lighthouse.
Nice and calm on this side.
We've just had a couple of flights at
Baithouse.
Sandusky, Ohio. And our first flight, we tried 4 of their brews. And I have to say, that was the best light beer I've ever had. It was my favorite, hands down.
Yeah. I like the Kolsch. And then they had a guest tap of tangerine wheat, which was very good.
And I had a lovely chat with a gentleman who's also widowed. Yeah, there he is in the background with his 2 dogs. They're 9 and 10, Sailor and Piper. I didn't get his name, but you get the dog's name. Time to make pizza.
Yes.
Oh, we having pizza tonight. Oh, look at this. So it needs a little more on top. But he's concerned about the bottom burning. But we brought, oh my gosh, that looks amazing. Let's see. Woo-wee! Woo! Wow. Okay. Well, this still needs a couple of things. It needs some fresh basil and arugula and hot honey on top. Charlie's Pizza was amazing. Keep following us. We're going to Detroit next.